Hey, this is Josh from DC Cargo Mall, and I want to tell you about our Auto-Retract ratchet strap. With standard ratchet straps, you have to manually pull in the slack, and the excess webbing always ends up loose and underfoot. The Auto-Retract makes it easy to pick up any slack, and the extra webbing is stored inside the spool. Let me show you how it works. Attach to your anchor points and press the red button until you have eliminated all of the slack. Press the red button again and lift the lever to the ratchet position and ratchet tight. To release, move the lever to the lowest position and pull in the strap. And its store is real neat. Simply press the red button till all the strap is wound inside the spool. The Auto-Retract strap comes in lengths of 43 inch, 6 foot, and 10 foot, and in widths of 1 inch and 2 inch. It is available in two finishes, zinc plated and stainless steel. Select models have a bolt hole to create a permanent mount on your truck bed or trailer. This strap is also available with an integrated soft loop on one end.